let's talk about how to get in and out of bed safely with osteoporosis if you're a back sleeper. So the first thing to pay attention to is how thick your pillow is. You'll notice that I have a very thin pillow here for sleeping on my back. Honey likes a thicker pillow, so his is over there. But having a thinner pillow keeps the back of the neck from coming into this rounded shape that we definitely want to avoid with osteoporosis and encourage elongating for good posture. So go ahead and make your way over to your bed and sit down on your bed, scooching back, being mindful of the spine. And then go ahead and bring yourself down onto your side. And then go ahead and roll over onto your back. So you'll notice the position of the pillow, that it's at the top of my shoulders, so that it's really coming in to fill this little section in with the neck. I can go ahead and get all comfy for the night and pretend that I have covers on and it's time to sleep. And then when it's time to get up, go ahead and roll back over onto your side. Lift yourself up, being mindful of your spine. Legs come out in front. Go ahead and take a moment to sit on the edge of your bed, feeling steady on your feet. Go ahead and make your way to start your day. If you happen to be a side sleeper, you will want a thicker pillow to go between your shoulder and your head. So now my pillow matches Honey's pillow. And I also have this other pillow that I'm going to use to provide some support for legs. So go ahead and make your way into a seated position on your bed. I'm going to bring this pillow over by where my legs will be. I'm going to bring myself down onto my side. I like to tilt my pillow. Please feel free to do whatever is most comfortable for you with pillows. Then go ahead and bring this pillow between your knees, making your way onto your side to sleep. And then if you're going to lift yourself up from a side sleeping position, go ahead and lift yourself up sideways, making your way up into a seated position, coming forward, being mindful of your spine, then making your way into a standing position to start your day. What to do if you are a tummy sleeper? I personally prefer having a thinner pillow for this, so I'm going to go ahead and lay my thinner pillow out. If you would like a little bit thicker pillow, that's also okay if you're a tummy sleeper. Go ahead and make your way into a seated position on your bed, scooching yourself back. Go ahead and make your way down onto your side. Then go ahead and shift yourself so that you're coming onto your tummy. I prefer to bring one leg out to the side when I sleep. I go ahead and lean in, and I've got good support. Bring one arm back behind me. Leave it up here, totally up to you. And then to get up from being a tummy sleeper, go ahead and roll over onto your side. Lift yourself up. Being mindful of your spine. Go ahead and bring your legs out in front of you. And scoot yourself off of the bed, being mindful of your spine. I hope you have a really good night's sleep.